APIs are great to learn new programming languages and new low code or no code tools nowadays. So in this video, I will be sharing 5 free public APIs for you that you can use to learn n8n or make. All 5 APIs will be public and no sign up or authentication will be required, so that you can simply copy paste the endpoint and start building even if you are a beginner. This video is not a tutorial where I will be showing how to use these APIs. I will only be sharing the APIs and I want you guys to experiment with these and build some cool stuff and n8n or make workflows. The first one is JSON placeholder. This is your starting point. It mimics a real REST API with posts, users, to-dos and comments. Practice all your HTTP methods, get, post, put, delete without breaking anything. Build a workflow that fetches posts from a specific user, filters by keywords, and format the results. Perfect for understanding how n8n handles API responses. The second one is REST countries. This returns everything about any country: population, capital, currencies, even flag images. No sign up is required. Create a workflow that search countries by region, extract specific fields, and maybe send you a daily fact about a random country. You can master data filtering and transformation. The third one is random user generator. This creates realistic fake user profiles with names, addresses, photos, and emails. Perfect for using workflows that process user data. Build something that generates 10 random users, extract their emails and location, and output a formatted list. It is great for learning loops and data manipulation in n8n and make. The next one is dog API. Get random dog images by breed, save them, or send them to a webhook. It's simple. It will help you to focus on understanding n8n's node rather than fighting with complex API documentation. The last but not the least is the advice slip API. This gives you a random piece of advice or lets you search for a specific topic. Build a workflow that fetches daily advice and send it to your email or Slack. Or create a searchable advice bot. It's simple but perfect for learning scheduling, text manipulation, and integrating n8n with messaging platforms. I hope you will find this video helpful and these APIs will help you learn n8n or make. In case you need another video where I will be showing a tutorial about how to use the APIs or webhooks in the n8n or make, do a comment. If I get a good amount of comments in the comment section, I will make a video about how to use APIs and webhooks in n8n or make. Thanks for watching and go make some cool stuff and workflows with these APIs.